Ravencoin mining, your canary in a gold mine. All right, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive headfirst into the wild world of Ravencoin, RVN mining. Think of it as digital gold mining, but instead of dusty picks and grumpy mules, we've got whirring GPUs and the occasional power surge that makes you question your life choices. Ravencoin, launched in 2018, isn't just another crypto floating in the digital ether. It was specifically designed to facilitate the transfer of assets. Think digital ownership of, well, anything you can imagine. And to keep the network chugging along, we need miners, brave digital prospectors who use their computing power to validate transactions and keep the RVN flowing. So how do you become a digital gold digger in the Ravencoin universe? Let's break it down so you can pick up some extra coin in your life. What is Ravencoin? Before we talk mining, let's address the elephant in the room full of blockchain. What exactly is Ravencoin? Well, dear viewer, Ravencoin, RVN, is a decentralized blockchain platform designed to enable the creation and transfer of assets. Think of it as the tool that lets you tokenize anything, including stocks, real estate, collectibles, or even your old comic book collection.
If Ethereum is the Swiss Army knife of blockchain, Ravencoin is the specialized tool for asset transfers.
What sets Ravencoin apart is its KawPoW mining algorithm, which is ASIC-resistant. This means you can't use super expensive specialized mining rigs, ASICs, to dominate the network. By keeping things GPU-friendly, Ravencoin stays true to decentralization, ensuring everyone has a fair shot at mining. It's blockchain democracy at its best. Hardware. Building your mining rig. Mining Ravencoin doesn't require a billionaire's budget, but you do need the right tools. Let's walk through the essential components of your mining rig. Graphics processing units, GPUs. GPUs are the beating heart of your mining operation. The better your GPU, the more efficiently you can mine Ravencoin. Here are some standout options. NVIDIA GPUs. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, RTX 3070, and RTX 3080 are all excellent choices. These GPUs strike a good balance between power efficiency and hash rate, making them favorites among miners. AMD GPUs. The AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT and RX 6800 are reliable workhorses, delivering solid mining performance without breaking the bank. Pro tip: mining isn't about grabbing the flashiest GPU on the market. Focus on one with a good performance-to-cost ratio. It's like finding a car with great mileage that is powerful, efficient, and wallet-friendly. Power Supply Unit, PSU. Your PSU provides the juice for your entire setup. Choose one with enough wattage to handle your GPUs, and look for certifications like 80+ Gold or higher for efficiency. A quality PSU is essential after all. You don't want your rig crashing mid-mining session. Motherboard and CPU. A good motherboard is the backbone of your mining rig. Look for models with multiple PCIe slots to accommodate multiple GPUs. Pair it with a mid-range CPU like an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5. Nothing fancy needed here. Think of this duo as the rig's quiet but essential organizers, ensuring everything runs smoothly. RAM. Ramalamba ding dong! Mining doesn't require a ton of memory, but you'll want at least 8 GB of RAM. If you're planning a multi-GPU setup, consider bumping it up to 16 GB or 32 GB. RAM is like your rig's short-term memory, helping it juggle tasks efficiently. Storage space. For storage, go with a solid-state drive, SSD. A 120 GB SSD is more than enough to hold your operating system and mining software while providing quick boot times. It's like upgrading from an old bicycle to a sports car. Speed makes everything better. Cooling system. Mining generates a lot of heat, and overheating is your rig's sworn enemy. Invest in extra fans, an open-air case, or even liquid cooling if you're feeling ambitious. Proper cooling keeps your rig running optimally and prolongs its lifespan. Software, tools of the trade. Once your rig is ready, the next step is choosing the right software.
Mining software is what connects your rig to the Ravencoin blockchain and starts generating rewards.
Here's a breakdown of the essentials. Mining software. RTX-Miner. Tailored for NVIDIA GPUs, TRX-Miner is known for its efficiency and user-friendly interface. It's like the reliable sedan of mining software, so it's dependable and easy to operate. TeamRedMiner. If you're using AMD GPUs, TeamRedMiner is a top pick. Optimized specifically for AMD cards, it delivers great performance and stability. GMiner. For those with mixed GPU setups, GMiner is an excellent all-rounder. It works seamlessly with both NVIDIA and AMD cards, making it a versatile choice. Wallet software. Your mining rewards need a secure home, and that's where digital crypto wallets come in. Ravencoin Core Wallet. The official wallet for Ravencoin offers full node functionality, giving you complete control over your coins. It's a fortress for your digital assets. Electrum RVN. This lightweight wallet syncs quickly and is easy to use, making it a great option if you're not keen on running a full node. Operating system. Windows. Ideal for beginners. Windows is widely supported by mining software and is easy to set up. Linux. If you're comfortable with a bit of a learning curve, Linux offers excellent stability and efficiency. It's a favorite among seasoned miners. Mining pools, strength in numbers. Mining Ravencoin solo can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack, which is technically possible, but incredibly unlikely. That's why most miners join mining pools, where computational power is combined to increase the odds of earning rewards. Here are some top Ravencoin mining pools to consider. TeamRedMiner is why it's great. TeamRedMiner offers reliable payouts and user-friendly tools. It's like the friendly neighborhood diner of mining pools. It's accessible, dependable, and welcoming. The fee is 1%. RavenMiner. Why it's great. With super low fees and detailed statistics, RavenMiner is perfect for budget-conscious miners. It's like your favorite budget-friendly cafe offering great service without breaking the bank. The fee is 0.5%. Flypool. Why it's great. Operated by the team behind Ethermine, Flypool is known for its reliability. It's the mining pool equivalent of a trusted brand that is solid, consistent, and trustworthy. The fee is 1%. Nanopool. Why it's great. Nanopool supports multiple cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile choice. It's like an all-you-can-eat buffet offering plenty of options for everyone. The fee is 1%. Tips for successful Ravencoin mining. Mining isn't just about plugging in your rig and crossing your fingers or crossing your eyes. Here are some tips to help you maximize your mining efficiency. Overclock your GPUs. Fine-tuning your GPU settings, core clock, memory clock, and power limits can boost your hash rate and improve efficiency. Just be cautious. Overdoing it can lead to overheating or hardware damage. Monitor your rig. Use tools like HW Monitor or MSI Afterburner to keep an eye on your rig's temperature and performance. Think of it as the dashboard of your mining operation. You want everything running in the green. Account for electricity costs. Mining consumes a lot of power, so factor in electricity costs when calculating profitability. Tools like What2Mine can help you estimate earnings after expenses. Stay involved with the community. Ravencoin has an active community of miners and developers. Join forums, Reddit threads, or Discord groups to share tips, ask questions, and stay updated on the latest developments.
Let's now get the disclaimer out of the way. This video is for informational purposes only and not intended to give financial advice.
Is Ravencoin mining worth it? Ravencoin mining can be a rewarding venture, both financially and intellectually. While it's not a surefire way to get rich, it's a fun and potentially profitable hobby if done correctly. With the right hardware, software, and strategy, you can turn your spare time and electricity into a steady stream of Ravencoin. So grab your GPUs, join a mining pool, and start digging for digital gold. Who knows? You might just strike it rich, or at the very least, have some fun trying. Happy mining!